we are still on the interface of Pixellab, right? So down here we have you can see we have different layout, different backgrounds, and then text. You can choose any of them in case you want them, but mostly nobody uses them. In case you want this, you can choose them, but mostly nobody uses them. Hello world. You can easily do this. Okay, trying to make it bigger. All right, that's how you can do this. You can choose those stuff here down here. You can choose them. In case you want it, you can choose it. So in case you want a blank page, we have a blank page at the end. Right over here we have the text. You can add text in quotes, just like here. It's the buttons at the top there, the same functions they perform. You can add a text. With the text you can edit the text, delete it, copy to front and back, position it. You can position it anywhere you like, top, button, down, by using these buttons. So yeah, that's what you do with these features down here. With the text features, you can change the size over here. In case you don't want to do it on the screen, you can do it over here. I think it's easier. And you can change the pattern. You can move to the left, to the right, just creating some space. Okay, so you can play along. We can play with these things. You don't have to try to you don't have to make perfect. You don't have to know everything, but you can play within this, and I trust you'll find something interesting. This is for when you want to add a texture to the text. You realize you can add texture to the text, so that's how you do it. So all these are just functions you can play with, and to understand the app, it's not really hard. Just play with it. So we'll get on our first project immediately. So you can change the fonts here. As I said, I might have more fonts than you on your Photoshop, but don't worry, I will try to share my Photoshop with you guys so you have access to these fonts too. It's a lot of fonts I have. So we have all these. You have to learn, like you have to go through them, practice with them. So we can't do all right now, but we'll have to start practicing with the app already. So working on projects, having something to show. And I know some of you have already done the assignment with the Photoshop video I posted out. Well done. So if you are a beginner, you are going to start working on a project, basic project. Even if you are deep in on it, no problem, you can still follow up with the assignments and drop it in the group just to motivate others to follow along as well. So these are the basic things you need to know about Pixellab. It's nothing complex. It's easy. You just have to know how each function works and what effect does it give to your work. And I trust that you're not even going to use all the functions, but it's good to know what they do. All right, so that's it for this video. The next one is going to be on our project. We are going to be working on a project just like we did with the Photoshop video. We're going to make the same effects, the same graphic or the same image here too as well. So the next video is going to be about the project.